On New Year's Day, 1965, the Crown Prince of Ska, Drummond, murdered his girlfriend, Anita Mahfood, at their home in Rockfort Kingston. Drummond was the leader of the Skatalite band. So how did the world's greatest trombonist commit such a crime? We will analyze in this episode of Storytime. Drummond was a Jamaican ska trombonist and composer. He was one of the original members of the Skatalites and composed many of their tunes. His musical career began in 1950 with the Eric Dean's All-Stars, where he performed jazz. He continued into the 1960s with others. After performing jazz for a decade, Drummond began performing ska, and in 1964, Don joined the Skatalites, and he became an household name in Jamaica and was well known around the world.
We are the original Skatalites. They originated and coming from in the year of the 60s with this music. Tonight, we are ready to take off and take you up in our musical spacecraft and have you dancing, whining, shouting.
Anita Mahfood was born in Jamaica. She had 3 sisters. Her father was Jah Mafud, a fisherman. Her family was Lebanese Jamaican, with ancestors who migrated from Lebanon to Jamaica to pursue commercial trade. Today, they own Motafocinco. She had married an Honduran boxer, but they eventually divorced. Anita was an actress, dancer, and a singer. She performed at many local clubs under the name Margarita Mafud. In 1960, she met Drummond, and the two began dating. Drummond was infatuated by her beauty and charm. But at the same time, Drummond was slowly going insane. Drummond had checked himself into the Bellevue Memorial Hospital several times in the past due to his mental health. He was diagnosed with schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental illness in which an individual interprets reality abnormally. They may also suffer from hallucination and start imagining things that aren't real.
I'm very confused.
Anita knew of Drummond's mental illness. Coupled with that, Drummond was physically and mentally abusive towards Mafud. He was easily triggered, attacking her in front of his bandmates. Ignoring all the signs, Anita stayed with Drummond and fell deeper in love. They released a single together titled Woman A Come, which was a love song written by her, dedicated to Drummond.
And lonely and blue, he is my love, my life, my all.
On December 31st, 1965, Anita accidentally gave Drummond the wrong medication, forcing him to miss the Skatalites' New Year's Eve performance. This enraged Drummond. On the evening of New Year's Day, 1966, Drummond attacked Anita, using his trombone to beat her. He stuffed her hand in the bell of the trombone and stabbed her 4 times in her chest. Realizing what he had done, he later called the police, telling them that Anita had stabbed herself in the chest. When the police arrived, they found her lying in the bed with the knife still inside her chest and her hands tucked in the trombone. Drummond was arrested and represented by the Skatalites' manager. Drummond was later found criminally insane and was committed to Bellevue Hospital, where he later died in 1969 at the age of 37.